Check this out. Want a quick and easy way to make tons of pro-looking videos all by yourself? Look no further than Create Studio Pro.
With Create Studio Pro, you can create amazing 3D character explainers just like Pixar, and you never need to use complex 3D software, lose your mind rigging and designing characters, or have to spend thousands of dollars on expensive freelancer fees. As long as you can point and click, drag and drop, you too can make amazing 3D character videos that boost engagement and drive sales. Not only can you create amazing 3D character videos, with Create Studio Pro you get your very own video studio. So you can create every type of video you need within the most easy-to-use video editor. You can create wildly engaging scroll stoppers, design video ads and mobile stories for social channels, make engaging animated slideshows, and even build hand-sketched doodle videos with loads of different hand styles to choose from. Loaded with powerful animation and editing features, you'll never be limited with what you can create. So stop wasting time and money on complicated tools, expensive agency fees, basic video apps, and start growing your business with pro videos made simple in Create Studio Pro.